everybody. Guess where I went? I went there, to Trader Joe's, and to Michael's. We went to Shannon's graduation party yesterday, which is in New Jersey. And God, every store imaginable was right there. Literally 1 mile from her house. I was like, oh my God. So John's like, oh, look, there's an AC Moore, there's a Michael's, there's this, there's that. And my sister's like, oh my God, there's a Trader Joe's. My sister loves Trader Joe's. So we got to Shannon's, and you know what? We were hanging out, and I said, do you want to see if we can just sneak away for like a half hour and go to Trader Joe's? So everybody's like, yeah, go ahead, go, because we don't have one here. We don't have one. We don't have one anywhere near us. So we went to Trader Joe's. And I said, well, girls, if I'm going to Trader Joe's, you got to let me run into Michael's. And they did. It's just really quick haul, real quick, from Trader Joe's and Michael's. So I picked up this because it's cedar wood and sage. Oh my God. I used it this morning because I went around cleaning all the bathrooms. Loved it. Loved it. Then I picked up that. I love lavender and tea tree. Oh my gosh, to smell this was amazing. I guess I'm not gonna mind doing dishes. Then TJ loves the peanut butter filled pretzels, and they didn't have the ones with salt on them, so he had to settle for these. So we got those for tea. And then John's like, if you go to Trader Joe's, get me those cookies. I'm like, what cookies? He goes, you know, those cookies. I'm like, I don't have any clue. So Linda goes, I know what, my sister Linda goes, I know what he wants. John wanted these. So he got them. And then I'm looking around and I'm like, oh, wait, got one more thing. Wait, don't go nowhere. Don't laugh, don't laugh, don't laugh, don't laugh. I'm like, I had to get myself something besides cleaning stuff, because that don't count. I got this. Have you ever tried this? Amazing. Loved it. Okay. Moving on. I had to get things for the puppy dogs. Got that. And I got those. I actually gave them each one this morning and they loved it. And then these are for Chansey, because Chansey's getting old and he needs minty fresh. He definitely does. So that was for the puppers. This was for the fam. All right? This is something I'm working on. But I want to do a quick call. Okay, so I got to Michael's yesterday, and it was a speed shop, because I really didn't have time, and I didn't want to be away from the gathering too long. I'll find the receipt in a second, but look what I got! Can you see it? Wait, let me go that way. I got the washi tape holder. It was 60% off. 60! Anything organizational was 60. So I grabbed that. Oh, okay, wait. I don't know what they did with my receipt. These, of course, were, let me move that over. These were 3 for $10. So that one's for Shannon. That one's for me. And this one's for me. Be joyful, always pray, give thanks, faith. Love that. Love that, love that, love that. Then I used my 40% off on these, which are cute little brads. And these were 70% off. So I grabbed those. They have the unicorn and the fairy. And the clear the totes, the big 12x12s, are, they were $3. But I did find my receipt. Check this out. The The washi holder was regularly $39.99, $16. $16. 2, 4, 6. Oh. I thought they were 3 for $10. They turned out to be 3 for $6. Oh, that's nice. Then the box of tags were $5, regularly $19.99. The 12 by 12 clear, which is this, was $3. And my brad flowers came out to $1.79. Oh my gosh. A total savings of $56.14. How cool. Why would anyone want to buy things that are full price? Seriously. I spent $34. How cute. So those are my 2 quick hauls. Yeah. Got them done yesterday. So I think that I'm going to do is I'm going to open this in my next video and see how all my washi tape stores in it. And I'll let you know how it goes. All right, everybody, have a great day, and I will see you real soon. Bye.